When making sketches, it is best practice that all of the entities be fully defined or constrained when you finish the sketch. The color of the entities on the screen tell me about their degrees of freedom. The blue lines indicate that these things are not fully defined or constrained. With no command active, if I click on one of these lines and drag, I can see that the shape and the size are fully constrained in that they won't change, but it moves freely about the sketch plane. To fully constrain this, I need to tie this sketch to the sketch plane. Here's the origin. I'm going to create a coincident constraint between the origin and this corner of the object. And you can see that now all of the lines have turned black, which indicate that they are fully constrained. Now I want to use this region to create an extrude feature. An extrude feature requires a closed region. So I'm going to draw a line across this open end, and now it turns gray. Gray indicates to me that I have an enclosed region that can be used to create a feature.